So now I'm going to fill my NMR tube here with this sample of TiO2. I have my cap ready, my tube ready, my pipette. I've already set up the software, so I'm basically ready to go. In general, you want to prepare the software first, then load the sample, and make the sample measurement immediately. This way, any issues which may be associated with sedimentation are minimized. So what I'm going to do here is open up the top. I'm going to take some sample here. All right. I'm going to insert it like that. Okay, now I'm good. So I'm going to put my tube on. I filled this tube up to a height of 54 millimeters. Okay, about that to there. And if we check, that looks pretty darn close. So if you add too much sample to this container, you're going to see noise in the results because the magnetic field far above the measuring zone, which is about here, a 13 millimeter length, 20 millimeters from the bottom of the tube, the magnetic field is a little bit different, so you'll see oscillations superimposed over the main relaxation. So I'm going to put the NMR tube inside the machine like that. I'm going to close my TiO2 sample. Then I'm going to go over here and click Start. So what you'll notice, okay, I picked an anticipated T2 value of 300 milliseconds, and I got a measured value of 63.6 milliseconds. And I have a lot of data here, but I could get even more data in the region where it counts, the region where you see this exponential decay, by going back and changing the anticipated T2 value to a number fairly close to this. So I'm going to pick 75 milliseconds. And we're going to redo this. Okay, so now we see a value of 64 milliseconds, but we have a lot more of the exponential decay that we've captured here. Okay, so now that looks good. If I want to then view the report as a PDF, I click on this icon. And here's what a report looks like. Okay, so at the top you have the sample name, the temperature. Right now you have to record the temperature manually. The software doesn't capture the temperature for you, so it's important to note the temperature because relaxation times do affect are affected by temperature. So here's the date, the file name. This is the metadata, the specific NMR parameters that the data was acquired with. This is the relaxation time we measured, some data about the NMR fit, and here's the relaxation curve. So one of the things you'll notice is the experimental data points are actually the red X's. The blue line is the fit of that, and one of the things we observe is there's a good single exponential fit to these data. So that's about it.